Drinking lavender lemonade eases your headache and anxiety. Many people fail to appreciate lavender oil. This incredible oil offers plenty of health benefits. In fact, it is one of the strongest essential oils that can be used for different purposes. There are more than 150 active components found in lavender oil. This oil has potent antimicrobial, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, analgesic, hypotensive, sedative, and antispasmodic properties. Some experts claim that lavender oil can effectively reduce anxiety. It has been proven that aromatherapy with lavender can lower stress before surgery. But this is not all. According to many studies, lavender oil can calm labor pain and treat insomnia and depression. It is extremely effective in the case of headaches, hangovers, and sinus congestion. It is believed that the effectiveness of the aromatherapy is due to the psychological properties of the scent combined with the physiological properties of the volatile oils in the limbic system. Due to its sedative properties, lavender oil can lower anxiety and improve your mood. How to use lavender oil? Check out this amazing recipe for lavender lemonade that you can prepare at your own home. Needed ingredients: a cup of fresh honey, 12 cups of clean water, a drop of lavender oil, 6 peeled and squeezed lemons. For decoration, lavender sprigs. Directions: just mix the ingredients and let it cool. If you want, you can add more water or honey. Other uses: to treat dry skin, add 5 to 6 drops of the oil to your bath. Diffuse 10 to 12 drops in the air to relax during a stressful and long day. Add 2 drops of lavender by an ounce of an unprocessed organic oil such as almond oil or olive oil to keep insects at bay, improve your sleep and skin, and relax.